Hitting the road while enjoying the comforts of a 5-star hotel room is a dream for a lot of folks. Fortunately, this is where the magic of luxury motorhomes comes in, where freedom meets satisfaction. Motorhomes aren't like your typical RVs with cramped space. Instead, they are high-end auto marvels designed for travelers who want to explore the world without compromising on their comfort. We're talking marble countertops, plush leather seating, full-sized kitchens, spa-like bathrooms, king-sized beds, all of it. Don't believe us? Well, here are some of the most beautiful and luxury motorhomes that will definitely change your mind. Will Smith's The Heat. First up is The Heat. Owned by Will Smith, The Heat is an icon. But more importantly, it's the award-winning actor's home away from home. He got his hands on the 2-story, 22-wheel motorhome thanks to Anderson Mobile Estates. He actually saw their motorhome, the studio, first and had it customized according to his needs. And guess what? He made the right choices because when folks first laid eyes on this beauty, they called it the peak of luxury and style. To some people, it might even look old-fashioned now, but it's one of the most impressive RVs ever built. And with a price tag of $2.5 million, it sure is one of the most expensive ones too. The question is it really all that? Well, why don't we take a tour? We've got a roof that extends to 42 inches, making room for a second level. It also comes with a screening room, along with shades and enough space for 30 people. This room also doubles as an office and features a massive 100-inch screen, perfect for reviewing scripts, presentations, or just kicking back with a movie. Downstairs, the motorhome boasts a full-sized kitchen, a lounge, and another lounge that acts as a wardrobe for the actor. One of the lounges even includes a professional makeup station. Recent photos also reveal a compact but functional office corner tucked inside. And if you're still wondering whether the price tag is justified or not, consider this. The bathroom spans the entire width of the motorhome. Not to mention, The Heat comes equipped with a high-end sauna shower and a separate dry toilet. Or is made of glass, but with a single tap, it instantly turns opaque, offering complete privacy. Even the other doors are equally impressive. They're fully automatic and have earned the nickname Star Trek doors thanks to the signature whooshing sound they make when they open and close. Apart from that, this 55-foot-long motorhome packs a jaw-dropping 1,200 square feet of living space. It's loaded with ultra-luxury features, $200,000 in granite countertops, $125,000 worth of cutting-edge tech, and $30,000 in real leather. Not just on the furniture, but even on the ceilings. The only deal breaker is that despite the $2.5 million, there's no dedicated bedroom inside. Still, for Will Smith, it's the ultimate hack for life on the move. The Heat gives him the comfort of home without needing to stop working. What's even better is that when he's not using it himself, he can rent it out for a cool $9,000 a month. But here's the real kicker. Despite all its fancy features, the Heat has got some heavy competition in the business, like the Living Vehicle Pro travel trailer. Living Vehicle started out with one bold mission: to design eco-friendly luxury homes. But now they have taken that high-end vision and put it on wheels. And if you think these trailers are just for camping, think again. All their products are nothing less than 5-star hotels. Living Vehicle's 2024 lineup is all about options. 2 powerful, high-end travel trailers, each built for a different type of adventure. First up is their heavy-duty model. Nearly 30 feet long with 3 axles for extra stability, this beast weighs between 14,000 and 16,000 pounds and can handle up to 20,000. It's built for rugged, go-anywhere travel without compromising a bit on luxury. And then there's the luxury touring model. Coming soon, this trailer is slightly more compact, 24 feet, and weighs between 11,000 to 13,000 pounds. What makes it better? Its lighter build makes it easier for travelers who want ease of towing and a premium experience. Both of these models come in 3 exciting trims: Core, Max, Pro. All you gotta do is pick the one for you and set out for your adventures. Choose your level, and you're ready to roll. Whether that means going completely off-grid or just living in style on the road. Price-wise? Well, you'll need to reach deep in your wallet. The LTE Core starts at a whooping price of $359,995, but the larger HD trailers are priced at $639,995. Is it worth the price tag? Well, for that we got to take a peek under the hood. The HD Pro comes with a cutting-edge LV energy system, featuring a massive 72 kilowatt-hour lithium battery, 18 kilowatts of inverter power, and 4.4 kilowatts of solar energy when the awnings are fully expanded. That's enough to keep you powered for weeks, no hookups required. Inside, the HD Pro's got plenty of space for up to 4 people, offering queen-size beds in both the primary suite and the convertible living area. The kitchen's equipped with a counter, a stove, and a solar-powered refrigerator. Meanwhile, the lounge doubles as a a home and office. And the bathroom? Think spa-inspired showers and skylight. Step outside and you'll find a fold-out patio with a full glass door entry from the lounge. And if you drive electric, there's more good news. This trailer can charge your EV, which is exactly why it's popular among most e-vehicle owners. Still, the Living Vehicle Pro travel mode has a long way to go, and this is where the 2022 Newell Coach P50 comes in. 2022 Newell Coach P50. From the outside, the Coach P50 looks like any other trailer, but step inside and you'll be greeted with the latest technology and all kinds of luxurious amenities. Most RVs claim to bring the comforts of home on the road, but this one? It offers an unforgettable driving experience. While you're on the move, the two front seats aren't just adjustable, they're reclining massage chairs. And yes, they're so comfortable you might not want to get out. If you do manage to get out of the seat and make it to the living room, you'll be met with multiple 4K TVs, heated tile floors, and quartz-lined kitchens and bathrooms. Everything from the premium cabinets to the queen-sized beds feels like it's been taken straight from a luxury suite. And that's not all. 4 motorized slide-outs expand both the living room and the kitchen, creating a wide, open concept layout. The kitchen doesn't disappoint either. It's equipped with a stove, an oven, a dishwasher, a garbage disposal, and even a full-size fridge. What else is there to ask for? As far as climate control is concerned, well, there are 4 rooftop AC units powered by a 20-kilowatt generator to keep the interior perfectly cooled. Naturally, everyone and their grandma will want to get their hands on this. But don't worry, the built-in security system includes multiple exterior cameras, so no one's stealing this baby from you. Of course, all of it comes at a price, and in this case, you'll have to cough up $2 million. But here's the other shoe. The Newell Coach P50 is almost always sold out. That alone should be proof enough when it comes to luxury on the road. This motorhome is the top choice for most folks. And for people who don't go for the Coach P50, they've got their eyes set on Jamie Foxx's off-script studio. Jamie Foxx might be a multi-talented actor, comedian, and all-around superstar. But he's also a man who knows luxury and innovation when he sees it. So when he teamed up with Grey Goose Vodka and Anderson Mobile Estates, there were a lot of expectations. Foxx had a groundbreaking idea, like a celebrity talk show, but on wheels. He didn't want to wait for A-listers to come to a studio. He wanted to bring the studio to them. He didn't want to walk into the steps of Ellen or Jimmy Falcon. He wanted to take his show on the road. And for that, your regular store-bought RV wasn't going to cut it. This is where Anderson Mobile Estates comes in. They gave Jamie the keys to a custom-built 2-story rolling studio and VIP lounge, specifically designed with his show off-script in mind. The Coach features 2 large hydraulic slide-outs and a pop-up second level, transforming it into a 1,200 square foot mobile suite. Everything you'd usually expect from an Anderson motorhome. Step onto the lower level and you've got a sleek recording lounge with warm wooden floors, concrete-style walls, and a deep royal blue C-shaped couch, the perfect background for celebrity interviews. We're talking big names like Dwayne The Rock Johnson, Denzel Washington, Chadwick Boseman, Melissa McCarthy, Sarah Silverman, and many more. With a list, even the fanciest backdrop wasn't going to cut it. So in the back, Jamie had the signature Grey Goose bar installed. Built in just 4 weeks, this addition gives that laid-back cocktail lounge vibe for Jamie's guests, which is not what most people would expect from an interview in an RV. Of course, there's a professional but compact makeup station as well, along with studio-grade lighting, soundproofing, and layout. Upstairs, we've got a flexible space that serves as Jamie's private retreat. It can function as a bedroom, an entertainment area, or a mobile office, depending on the actor's mood. Of course, when you're pulling out all the stops like this, the price tag comes with a lot of zeros. We're talking $1.8 million. It may seem like a lot, but hear us out. Once Jamie wrapped up the show, the trailer was returned to Anderson's fleet, making it available to rent. So, if you're looking to rent a motorhome to bring the party on the road in the fanciest way possible, make sure to give a call to Anderson. Dynamax Dynaquest XL. Next up, we've got the Dynamax Dynaquest XL. Honestly, it would have been a crime to leave this monster off the list. The motorhome stretches 39 feet long and sits on a Freightliner chassis, powered by a 440 horsepower Cummins turbo diesel engine. It's not just a ride, it's an absolute monster. But don't let the size fool you. Step inside, and you'll be welcomed to a world of polished tile floors, solid hardwood cabinetry, and quartz countertops. This isn't just an RV, but a grand suite, complete with a residential fridge, a king-sized bed, and top-of-the-line appliances. The Dynaquest XL doesn't disappoint in the tech department either. We're talking touchscreen control panels, solar prep, and premium lighting systems. The best part? All of it can be yours if you've got $500,000 to spare. You can have this bad boy if you have around $500,000 lying around. So whether you're heading off-grid or just pulling into a luxury RV resort, the Dynaquest XL is built for travelers who want the all-in-one package, strength, style, and smart tech. Simon Cowell Cowell's producer pad, but if you're looking to take this up a notch, then Simon Cowell's producer pad is the way to go. The man made millions by telling people that they have absolutely no talent, so it's only fair he spent a chunk of it on a motorhome worthy of a showbiz king. Nicknamed the producer pad, this $2 million monster weighs 40 tons, rides on 22 wheels, and offers a jaw-dropping 1,200 square feet of living space. What's more, it's packed with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a full kitchen. And if you thought that impressive, his personal makeup room is not cutting any corners either. Add in a bar, studio space, and production facilities for his team, and you've got a mobile HQ that rivals any high-end office in LA. The RV also features some production space for the star himself and his staff. Safe to say, it's money well spent. And so is the Featherlite Vantara Platinum Plus. Featherlite Vantara Platinum Plus. It's one of the few RVs to be dubbed a land yacht. The prices on these beats start from $1 million and may reach $7.7 million if you're looking for a customized version. Built on a Previs chassis with triple slide-outs, this 15-ton heavyweight is made for 2 travelers and a driver. That's it, not a lot of space. But what it lacks in accommodation, it makes up for in pure elegance. Inside, you'll find a grand master suite, a private office, a lounge, a chef-grade kitchen, and even a separate guest lavatory. The materials? Imported Italian furniture, crystal dining tables, custom leather-clad desks, and handcrafted finishes shipped in from around the world. Safe to say, every inch of the Platinum Plus is tailored, ordered, or flown in. All to make sure that wherever you go, you never forget what luxury feels like. Would you prefer spending your weekend in the Featherlite Vantara Platinum Plus, or is the 2022 Newell Coach P50 more your style? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.